How to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can recover deleted photos on your iPhone. So, first of all, go to your Photos app. And then, let me simply delete these 5 photos right over here. Now, once you have deleted these photos, let's say you want to recover these photos which you just deleted. So, in order to restore deleted photos, what you'll have to do is simply go to Albums right over here. After that, scroll down until you see the option recently deleted. Simply tap on it. After that, it will require your Face ID or the device passcode, so simply enter any one of these, and then it will show the photos which were deleted within the last 30 days. Now you can only recover photos which were deleted in the last 30 days. So if the photo you are trying to recover was deleted before 30 days, you simply won't be able to restore it. The only photos you can restore are the ones which were deleted within 30 days. Now since these were deleted just now, you will simply be able to recover them. So I'll simply select these 5 and then tap on the recover. After that, tap on the option recover again. Now go back to your albums, and there you can see that these photos have been restored. So that is basically how you restore deleted photos on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.